Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today's agenda is for February 4th, 2021. So we're going to be covering a few things today. For today, we are really focusing on makeup work. We have too many students that have not finished enough work. I said this at the beginning of the semester, and I'll emphasize it again. We are a team. We are going to get through this together, and I want to make sure you do the absolute best. Grades are going to be due soon, so the little notice right there does say our grading period is going to be closing soon, so make sure to complete all of those missing assignments. I have so many missing assignments, you guys. Come on, just turn them in. Most of them will take you a couple minutes to do. So for your due now today, you're going to be focusing on an Aries reflection. I want you to log into Aries and go ahead and look at your grades in this class. Look at your missing assignments. I'm going to give you guys 5 minutes to look at them and start reflecting, okay, what is worth the most and what can I complete? You should all complete at least one assignment today. That is my goal, and that should be your goal. One assignment today. So, aside from your Aries reflection, I have around, I'm actually going to check right now, I have 22 of you, ladies and gentlemen, that have not turned in your DWA, even though that was the big thing yesterday, was to turn in your DWA. Secondly, I have 28 of you who have not turned in your practice assignment essay. That's not okay. Simple. You will be turning in both tomorrow. Just simple. There are a couple of you that have finished all your work, and I will be discussing further with you what you will be doing in class besides other class work. So that's going to be our big thing for tomorrow, submitting that and working on your missing assignments. Every single one of you, other than the 4 or 5 that I mentioned earlier, have something to work on in this class, and I will be making sure that you are getting at least one assignment done. That's going to be our big focus for tomorrow. And then for our exit ticket, I want you guys to tell me on a scale of 1 to 5. Before I let you leave, you need to show me either with your fingies or in the chat. How did you feel? How productive did you feel? If you got something done, that's at least a 3, maybe a 4. You're on track. You're doing something. If you know you have everything done and you were able to get a couple assignments done, you're great. You're 5. If you feel like you only got half of one assignment done, for one reason or another, you can give me that 1. That's okay. So that's just going to be our exit ticket for tomorrow. It's really going to be our focus for Friday and Thursday and Friday. Additional reminders, book club today if you are signed up for book club. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class.